I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove an item from the Netflix Continue Watching row using the Netflix website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to netflix.com, and then sign into your account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Netflix home screen. Step 2. Scroll down to the Continue Watching section and then navigate to the specific movie or TV show you want to remove from your Netflix Continue Watching. Step 3. Hold your cursor over this show, which will cause that content to slightly pop out, and then click the X on that item. A window opens asking why you want to remove this content from your Netflix Continue Watching. Step 4. Choose why you want to remove this content from Continue Watching. That window will close and that movie or TV show will be removed from your Netflix Continue Watching row. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.